up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys not one, not two, but 3 ways to style your console table for spring 2022. Okay, if you've never seen me before, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you love all things home decor. Let's just jump straight in. I am super eager to show you guys 3 ways to style your console table. I'm gonna be using pieces from HomeGoods, Target, CB2, and a lot of these pieces you guys probably already have. I've only picked up new pieces here and there, so let's just jump straight into look number 1. Okay, you guys, so for the first look, I am using 2 of my favorite books. It is a Live Beautiful book by Athena Calderon and the Architectural Digest book. You can find both these books on Amazon. You can actually find the Architectural Digest book over at HomeGoods, but I will definitely link in the description box down below my Amazon storefront where I do have both of these books already linked. Now, on top of my coffee table books, I love placing flowers. Of course, for spring, we are going to have flowers all season long. My husband just got me these for Valentine's Day. They are the most beautiful white roses with tulips, and I'm obsessed with them. So I will be using these same florals for all 3 looks, but you guys feel free to use whatever flower arrangement you love. Of course, I love picking up fresh floral from Trader Joe's. It is definitely my go-to place for flowers. Okay, next up, I'm using these pillar candle holders that I got from CB2. You guys probably caught me talking about these on one of my recent hauls. You can find them. They are one of the newest pieces from, oh, I'm sorry guys, not CB2, hello, from Crate and Barrel, but they do look like something you could find at CB2. Don't they? So you can definitely go pick these up right now at Crate and Barrel. I picked up 2 sizes, the bigger size and the smaller size, because I wanted to add some height difference to the decor. When you decorate your console table, your coffee table, your bookshelves, always play with groups of 2s and 3s. It's just more pleasing to the eye. And with this look in particularly, it's actually one of my favorite looks. It's just very minimal. I have my favorite coffee table books with my fresh flowers on one side, and then I have these beautiful candles on the right side. And I still have space here where I could put the remote, I can put whatever candle I want to burn for the week, or whatever you guys like. You have this space to work with, but I just do love the simplicity of this look overall. One of the last things I like to place just right on top of my console table is this wick trimmer right here, which you guys will also see me using it in 2 out of the 3 looks. I like having this guy nearby so I can trim my candle, whatever candle I'll be burning for the week, or if I want to burn these guys, you guys know that by trimming your wick, it will make your candle last longer and it will prevent black smoke coming out of your candle. And this is the final look, you guys, for the first one. You guys know I love a very simple, minimal look to my decor, and I think it's very pretty, very Parisian inspired, and I just love all of the neutrals. Now, for the second look, we are going to try a different layout. I do want to work with this vase that I recently got from Target. It's so beautiful. Again, you guys, I love the Parisian aesthetic, the Parisian decor, and this is a vase that I typically see a lot in a lot of Parisian apartments, and I thought it was a great dupe. It's actually part of the new Studio McGee collection. Of course, I'm going to add my fresh flowers. So we're gonna use the same bundle of flowers, which looks beautiful in any vase. I absolutely love it. Again, you guys can choose to go with whatever florals you love for spring. I typically always have white roses, and I love the look of the long stems. It looks so beautiful with this vase overall. Now, I am going to bring out my Simplicity book, another favorite of mine, which I also have linked on my Amazon storefront. This book looks very beautiful on its own. You could choose to leave it just like this, right next to your flush florals, but I am actually going to layer another book right on top, which I am going to use my Live Beautiful book right on top of it. And you guys can see that I actually chose to turn around the Simplicity book because I like the look of the pages peeking through just like that. I think it looks really pretty. And the pages are black, which I think goes with my whole console aesthetic. And yeah, I'm just using another coffee table book right on top to have some levels to my look. Of course, you want to bring out your favorite candle. I got this table candle holder from CB2. It's why I confused the other ones. They look very similar. It has the same aesthetic to it. Very modern, very beautiful. I'm going to add my candle to it. And again, add my wick trimmer right next to it. To be honest, you guys, I don't ever like these candles. I just like keeping them like that. But if I ever do have a special occasion, I could totally like these. I believe for Christmas, I did like them and they looked so beautiful, but I just love having the taper candle with the candle, and it just looks so chic, so well put together. And you can find this one at CB2 on their website right now. Again, you could always pick and choose your favorite candle and place it right at the corner of the book, so you don't necessarily have to go with this one, but I just love the look of it. Now on this side, I'm gonna bring back out my Architectural Digest book. You guys can obviously tell that it has seen its days. I kept the plastic on for a very long time and I recently took it off and I'm just like, oh, it is a little bit, you know, on the rough side, but I still love this book. This is definitely a must-have book. You guys have to go get your hands on it. I love just using this book for a lot of decor and it's very affordable. It goes on sale every now and then, so take full advantage when it does. Right on top of it, again, sticking to the heights. I love just playing with heights. I think that that's just very, you know, eye-pleasing and it makes the decor look really nice. I'm gonna add my Dior coffee table book right on top, except with the pages turned around, as you guys can see. I love playing with that. I just think it looks better that way. This Dior coffee table book, I got it at Home Goods. You guys, do not sleep on Home Goods. You can find really, really good coffee table books at Home Goods, which I always tell you guys. And last but not least, I'm gonna add my CB2 sphere to go right in the corner. I feel like adding an earthy element really pulls the look together. It just looks really nice and classy, and I don't know, I love it. This sphere is from CV2. You guys can also find it right now on the website. I will link it down below, but you can choose to go with whatever you have that you love to place on top of books. You can place another candle if you'd like, or you can place just something small and earthy with texture. I think that would be a really good addition to your look. And this is the final look for the second look, you guys. You guys can see that we added our favorite coffee table books, our favorite candle, our wick trimmer, and brought in that earthy element with the beautiful flowers. I'm obsessed. Okay, for the last look, it's gonna look very similar to the second one. The layout is gonna be the same, but you guys will see that I'm gonna use different pieces of decor. We're gonna start off with the Architectural Digest book and the Live Beautiful book right on top, just like that. Now I'm gonna bring out one of my favorite pieces from Target, which is this beautiful decorative art, you guys. It looks like a rainbow though, doesn't it? It is from Studio McGee. I love the marble like detail to it. I think it looks really beautiful. And I'm gonna add my candle wick trimmer just like that. You guys can see the simplicity of it. It looks very chic. I love it. You can still find this piece right now at Target as well. They have a lot of pieces from that specific collection that you can play with as far as these looks. Now, I am gonna push these coffee table books to the side just a little bit to give me enough space right here to put one of my favorite candles. This candle is from ANAIS Candle. You guys can check them out on Instagram. I'll link it down below. They were kind enough to send this over to me and I absolutely love it. I don't wanna ever burn it. I love the aesthetic of it, just like that. It really just makes it feel Parisian in so many ways. And I just think it's so beautiful, of course. I mean, look at the bod, so pretty. But again, I think that adding your favorite candle to your console table, as always, really just brings in that scent that you want to bring for the spring. They have so many airy floral scents that you can play with as far as candles. You can find really good candles at Target, at Bath & Body Works, and I personally just have this one for decor only, but you can add whatever candle you like right here to the side or on top of it. You don't want it to look too cluttered, so I would recommend you just lay it on the side just like this one, and I think this one looks really good here and I love it. Now we are going to switch up the vase. I'm gonna add a smaller vase. I got this vase from Target as well, but it is pretty old. I got it a long time ago. You guys obviously saw that I switched up the vases for every look. I just think that it's important to play with different sizes of vases if you do want to change up your console decor. Try some small ones, some medium ones, some large ones. I have so many vases, you guys. I think I have too many vases, but hey, I can use them all to switch up my looks. I'm gonna bring over my flowers and place them right in there. This might be a little bit too much. Oh no, it worked. It worked beautifully. I think even if I were to remove some of the flowers, it would still look really beautiful. Maybe add some baby's breath, that would look beautiful. Some tulips alone. Trader Joe's sells some tulips on their own. I believe they're like 20 bucks for the packet of like 25 tulips. I may be wrong, you guys, but go check out Trader Joe's. They sell tulips, and I think tulips alone in a vase like this would look beautiful for spring. Now for this side, I'm gonna bring out these bookends that I also got from Target. Again, it's part of the same collection as a decorative arch. It has the same marble texture. I'm gonna bring out my 2 favorite coffee table books. Well, they're all my favorite, but I just love these in general. So I'm gonna put my Simplicity book, just like that. And I'm gonna grab my Dior book with the pages turned, again, to see the pages peeping through, just like that. You can put as many coffee table books as you'd like, maybe even add some shorter ones. I really need to buy some new coffee table books, but as you guys can see, just by having a few of your favorite, you can really play with these looks and style them in so many different ways. And that's it. I love the look of the coffee table books, just like that, with the coffee table bookends, and it still goes really well with the decorative arch. You can find these pieces at Target right now. I believe they still have them out, so they're not that old. You can go ahead and also check them out in the description box down below. And I'll also link these coffee table books. You guys saw that I created 3 beautiful looks using the same pieces. This is the final look. Again, very beautiful, chic, and simple. I am just obsessed with the vibes here. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are 3 simple ways to style your console table for this spring 2022. You guys saw that I used the same pieces for all 3 looks, so you don't have to go out there and purchase a ton of new decor for spring. Just go to Trader Joe's, go to Stater Brothers, get your favorite flowers, buy a vase, and just play with those coffee table books you already have. Bring out your favorite candle, and let's just decorate for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below what was your favorite look. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Until next time, make sure you guys are staying safe. I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.